Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. Before we get started with this review, I'm going to ask a quick favor of you. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you are up to date with all the latest app reviews and money-making opportunity related videos. If that does interest you, again, be sure to hit that subscribe button. That is all we talk about on this channel. Making money from home, making money on the side, making side incomes, passive income, all of that type of stuff is what we cover here on the Mr. Modern Financials channel. So if that does interest you, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Now let's get on to the review. eBates. Today we're reviewing eBates, and eBates is another cashback app. I have reviewed two cashback apps so far, WikiBuy and Ibotta. Of the two I've already reviewed, WikiBuy, they were both fairly positive reviews, but I felt Ibotta was a better app than WikiBuy, so it would go WikiBuy, Ibotta, and this app is my favorite of the three so far, so the greatest so far would be eBates. Now you might ask yourself, why is this app my favorite so far? The simple reason is they have such a huge inventory of opportunities. They have so many different stores, all different kinds of things. So when I was reviewing WikiBuy, my main concern with them was they only had luxury items. They didn't have enough general merchandise, groceries, things like that. When I reviewed Ibotta, it was kind of the inverse. They had, yes, they had some luxury items, but they had a lot of groceries and things that you're gonna buy no matter what. This app, I feel, gives you the best of both worlds. You have all your general stuff you're gonna need. You have a Walmart cashback opportunity, you have a Big Lots, all of your normal stores you're gonna go to buy groceries and general household items. However, you also have your luxury items. You have Sephora, you have lots of luxury stores on here that could come in handy, especially around birthdays or holidays. If you're gonna get your girlfriend something nice, or you wanna get your wife something, or a family member, there is a lot on here that could save you some money. Now, the overall cash back on here is actually pretty good. It usually ranges from 2 to 10%, but I have seen some as high as 15%. So 15% cash back is not bad. Another awesome thing about this is you're not only earning cash back, this app also has general just discounts. You'll look at the actual opportunities and it'll say you get 20% off, and then you also get 10% cash back. So don't only look at the cash back, which of course is probably the most important of it, but also look at the discounts you're going to be getting. And this is not just an app for stores. There is all sorts of opportunities on here. You could go things with Disney, things with travel, things with Expedia, magazines, all different opportunities in addition to your normal everyday consumerism of buying stuff, buying groceries, luxury items, and things like that. So overall, guys, I am really happy with this app. Be sure to sign up using my link down below. Hit that link and get the app. Sign up with my link and my code. And I would overall give this app, I would give it a 4 out of 5. I really, really do enjoy it. And I think you could actually, because it has such a wide array of stores and opportunities, I definitely think it belongs on everyone's phone. I would almost go as far as to call it a iPhone or smartphone essential app, just because it's like, you're probably going to save a lot of money with this. Let's be real. You're going to save a lot. Your average person, if you're spending a couple $1,000s a year on groceries and luxury items, if you're saving 10% to 15% on that, you do the math, that adds up pretty quickly. So again, guys, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next video if you enjoyed this app review. I know it was kind of long-winded, but there was a lot to talk about, and I really wanted to get it all out there. That's all I want to say. I will catch you in the next video, and keep on earning that extra money. Have a great day.